Are you getting there is an error selecting this partition for install Windows setup, error while installing Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. While installing Windows 11, if you see an error message saying there is an error selecting this partition for install, here is how you can resolve the issue. Although it mainly happens when your selected partition has some leftovers, there could be other reasons as well. Now here is how to fix it. Let's get started. Method 1. Clean the old partition using DISKPART. To clean the old partition using DISKPART, open the command prompt. For that, press Shift plus F10 when the Windows installation wizard displays all the partitions. Once the command prompt appears on your screen, use the DISKPART command. Then, enter the ChkDsk command to find all the disks. From here, you must choose the disk that you want to clean. In general, this disk is called disk 0. Enter the select disk, then disk number command to select the disk. Next, enter the clean command. After that, close the command prompt window and proceed with the regular installation process. Method 2. Convert disk to GPT. As mentioned earlier, Windows 11 requires a GPT and UEFI combination. If you use MBR, it is time to convert it to a GPT disk. There are multiple ways to do that, and in most cases, you might lose your data. However, if you want to convert MBR to GPT without losing your data, you can use the GPT gen method. However, if you have already formatted your partition, you won't be able to boot your system. In that case, you have to use the command prompt method. For that, press Shift plus F10 to open the command prompt and enter these commands. Once you clean the disk, you can enter the convert GPT command to convert it from MBR to GPT. Method 3. Recreate the bootable USB drive from UEFI. As Windows 11 requires a few things in line, you can create a bootable USB drive using Rufus, as it offers all the options required for Windows 11. For example, you can choose GPT and partition scheme, UEFI as the target system, etc. It is highly recommended to download the Windows 11 ISO only from the Microsoft website. Do not download it from any third-party resources. Also, Windows 11 requires a few things that differ from Windows 10 and older versions. You can use the Windows 11 requirements checker tool to check if your computer is Windows 11 compatible or not. Method 4. Run ChkDsk. At times, this problem might arise when your hard disk has some issues. To confirm that, you can use the ChkDsk command. For your information, it scans all the possible damage and fixes it accordingly. You can open the terminal with administrator privileges and use these commands. You can also use the command to repair errors in the file system. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.